Hey, hello everybody, this is Gujju Pataka tutorial. This one's kind of hard because it requires a lot of energy, but the moves aren't too bad, I would say. I'm also going to try to get this done quick because it's a longer piece, and I don't know the lyrics fully, so we're going to hum it. Okay, so the first 8 counts, there's going to be some acting, whatever, that's the transition, and then my brother and me are doing acting and some other people maybe, and then everybody's just gonna be running wild, you know, hyping up with the audience. There's gonna be whistles, so there's gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do whatever. I'm gonna be running like this probably. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, something cool, something funny. You guys, when you listen to the music, just make up something hype, okay? You can do something hype too, because it's a high energy song. You want everybody to get in the mood. So there's 8 counts of that, and then the choreo starts. The choreo is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's what you're doing with the foot. This is my right, this is my left. Now the hands slashing. So 1, 2. Now bring the right, roll your arm around and roll it up, and then roll it back down. But that's a fast roll, so it's gonna be 1 and 2. Okay, so 1 and 2. 1 and 2. It's gonna be pretty fast. You can you can make the circle shorter if you need to, go up and down faster, but I go like that. And sometimes I can move my body to the left to give my arm that extra room. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? And then slash again, 5, 6, and do the same thing with 2 hands, okay? So 3 and 4. So 3 and 4. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Next step from here is take the left knee up, right. Okay. So left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands. 1, 2, like you're punching. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you want to hit the heart with the right. So 1, 2, and then like you're just healing it up or something. I don't know. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you repeat that whole thing twice. Okay. Let's do that real quickly. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Okay, from here, next step is gonna be to the voice. They changed the melody or song. Now the song starts again. Or the lyrics, come on, I forget the lyrics, but it's like 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay, so from here, take the right, bring it to the right, bring your left, bring your right, and take the left and bring this to the right spot, right here, but you want to jump and take that right out. Okay, so that's 1 and 2, 3. Okay, 1 and 2, 3, and then the head is going to take that 4. Head, you just want to flick up, or you want to flip, yeah, you just want to flick up, okay, like that. So it's going to be 1 and 2, 3, hit. 1 and 2, 3, hit. Alright. You can do it'd be cool if everybody did the same. So I think just putting it up 2 times probably easier. So the hands for that is gonna be right coming across. Right over the left, doesn't matter, but 1 here, then hit your shoulders. So 1, 2, down, and hit. Okay, 1 and 2, boom. 1 and 2, 3, like that. Okay, doesn't have to go up like that. So that's na 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 na. Okay. 1 and 2, 3, hit. 1 and 2, 3, hit. Now from here, da na 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 na. Do dish. Okay. So that's that's like the acting part. So, because I know I'm gonna do a spin, but you guys can just cross again. Cross, hit the right. 1 and 2 and 3. Alright, you guys can just go back with the right, hit the left. And go like that or something. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 2. On that fourth count, you have a 4 count, right, to set this up. But on the fourth count, I want you to like do some acting, like oh my god, you know, shake 1, 2, 3, 4 for 4 counts. So 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 2, 2, 2. That's what I'm doing. You'll hear it in the music. Just I want you just to act on the counts that you hear in the music, but you get your own freestyle right there. So 1 and 2 and 3 hit. 1 and 2 and 3 hit. Da na 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 na. Left da na 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 na. Okay. Now from here, the next part is bring your left up like that. Bring it in. Bring your left up. Bring it in. Okay. The hands. 1 and. Right hand comes out like that. 1 and out and. Okay. So 1 and out and. Now from here, jump. Jump on the left. Bring your right up. Now place your right down. And hip thrust. Hip thrust. Okay. So 1 and 2 and 3 and. Now as you hip thrust, bring your right up. Bring your left up. So 1, 2. Okay. That's 1 and 2 and hip thrust. Now from here, take. So I'm gonna squat kind of over your right. And bring your right up. That hand's up like that, and knee goes up. Bring it to the left. Bring your right knee up. And bring it in the middle. Okay? That's 1 and 2 and. My shoulders go like this to make that effect. So 1 and 2 and. Okay, now from here you just wanna hip thrust, hip thrust, hip thrust, hip thrust. So 4 count hip thrust. So left, right, left, left. The hands, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now from there, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna step on my left, then I'm gonna step on my right, and I'm gonna step on my left, but then right knee comes up this time. Okay? And then step down. Okay, so the hands for that will be left. My left arm comes up, follows through my right. And my right arm comes up. Then I make a cross. Okay? Then I cross it down. Okay? Well, as I step with my right. Now from here, the hands go like this. Go, bring the right, bring it in, and around like that. So in and around and throw. 1 and 2 and throw. The footwork for that, right here, is bring my left, I'm gonna bring my right to the left, then out, then in, then out, throw. Okay? That's 1 and 2 and. Right? That's 1 and 2 and. I'm sorry, bring it up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now from here, you want to step on the right again, like a small step, and pull up. Hands up, in, now cross, and bring your right knee up, like that, okay? So, I'm right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? This is the ending position. Now I'm at the build-up, where it says dum dum daraka. Gujju, Pataka. So I'm right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you take the right step, bring your left knee up. You want to push off this right, so you're jumping actually. But the jump is bring your left knee up, then bring your right knee up, then place. So right, left, right, like that. I think of like a monkey when I do this move, but 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the hands is like Donkey Kong Smash, so it's like right, left, right. Right, left, right, okay? So right, left, right. Now from here, You want to jump on your knees. Knees come up, but rotate to the right side. Then your hands, 1 and 2, but now they just go up and hit the knees. Like that. So hit your knees. Okay? When you hit your knees, you want to land in this Gujju Pataka pose. So I put my right, my left like this, shake a little bit. So, dum dum daraka, Gujju Pataka, like that. And you want to get up, kick it with your right, turn on that foot that you kicked. Hum ke shadi mein, or whatever he says. That's the hook step. Alright, we're going to take that step. So, hum ke shadi mein, take the left hand up behind your head, put it behind your head, take your right, bring the right knee up, and bring your foot like this, and then propping like this. So it's going to like this on the side, like that. You can have your right hand like this, so, and then hit 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So that's going to dum dum daraka, Gujju Pataka, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from here, step and jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The hand, 1, 2, 3 is coming up. 1, 2, 4, just like that. And then now the left hand goes like this. Your hand goes here and does this. But you're just switching your foot. You're jumping like this now. So I'm right here. I just jump on the left, go like that. Go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. 7, 8. Now from here, you step on the right like that and flick your left out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The hands. 2, 3, 4. This is nothing that step. So I just take my right, shake it, shake both hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 3, 4. This left hand is going like this, barely, right? And this right hand just bring it back. So when I go out, it's like that. When it's like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. The footwork is like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We can't do it fully this way because it'll be hard to get there. So we're gonna quick hit on the 45 to go like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from here, you're gonna squat, jump into squat, hit this, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now from here, so that's the first 4 count of the main step, you know, the chorus. 2, 3, 4. Now from here, you do the same thing over again. So jump to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now jump, squat. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time, the last 4 counts, you're gonna move your body 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right, and you'll be in this position. So 1, 4. Now from here, you're gonna switch the hands like that and shake with your right hand. Okay, shake like that. From here, just like that. You're gonna step on your left, follow with your right. Step on the right, follow with your left. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now from here, you're going to jump in a squat again, but you're going to whip your right hand out like that. So now my right hand's like this. Now I put my left, and then I bring my right hand up like that. And then I bring my left hand up while my right hand is still there. Then I bring my left hand, and then I bring my right hand right here. Okay, left hand on the hip. Right hand on the hip. Left hand on the shoulder, heart area. Or chest, right chest. Okay, now from here, squat, you have to cross, and turn. Okay, so that's all the choreo. I'll walk through it slowly, okay? We'll do it. Yeah, I'll do it one time slowly and just keep watching the video. And if anything's wrong on this tutorial, just shoot me a text or anything, you know, or if you need help, yeah, shoot me a text. I can get something figured out. Okay, so let's go. I want you to practice with the music on the actual video that I sent with full pace. So let's try doing like half pace. Let's see. Yeah, let's do this, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do 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 do. 자, 이 문제 떠올게. Do 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 do. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 둠둠 달라까. Gujju, Pataka. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Turn. 3, 4. I am. Do 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 do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Walk. Okay, that's it. Have fun with the coin. Good luck. And keep practicing.